Now I'm out here enjoying a strawberry daiquiri on the beach, but I'm in Cancun, so don't judge me. Plus, like I said, it's free. What's up guys, it's Tim Leak and welcome back to my channel. Now if you saw the saver versus spender video, you know that my girlfriend Tiffany has been wanting to take a little vacation somewhere. Quite frankly, I can't blame her. We usually take at least one trip a year, but since the pandemic, we haven't really done anything. So I decided to surprise her and take her to an all-inclusive, adults-only resort in Cancun. Now this was a pretty easy decision because none of it was paid by me. Nope. So just keep watching and I'm gonna go pack real quick, and I promise you I'll be right back to break everything down for you. Alright, I'm back. Now I was supposed to get back to y'all after I was done packing, but I was tired after we got done packing. Then we ended up waking up late. We were supposed to leave the house at 5. We ended up waking up around 4:45. So we left around 5:30. But the good thing is, there's not too many people in the airport, so we got to the gate pretty quickly. But we had to fly to North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina for a layover. Stayed there for a couple hours. Then we came into Cancun, and we just got here. The room is beautiful, beautiful view as you can see. But it's time to break down exactly how I got this beautiful hotel room and free flights without paying for any of it. All right, let's talk about credit card churning. Now, credit card churning is pretty much when these credit card companies will offer you a sign-up bonus just to get you to apply for their credit cards. And when you apply for the credit card and get the credit card, you do the minimum requirement to get the sign-up bonus points, which is usually about $600, $700, $800, which then can be used for flights and hotels. Now, let me explain exactly how I did this. Sapphire for bird, I was able to combine all the points, use them all in the chase portal. All right, I'm back. I wanted to go a little bit more in depth because I was on that speedboat when I was talking. The wind was picking up, I was going fast, and I know it was kind of hard to hear me. So let me break it down a little bit further. So if you have multiple Chase Rewards credit cards, you're able to combine the points, which can then be redeemed for free travel or free hotels through the Chase portal. There are multiple Chase Rewards credit cards that's out there. You have the Freedom Unlimited card, you have the new Freedom Flex card, you have the Sapphire Preferred card, you have the Sapphire Reserve card, and then you have about 3 business credit cards. Now me, I have a Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and I combined that with the points from the Sapphire Preferred card. Once I combined all the points, it equaled up to about $1,500. Went to the Chase portal, booked my flights, booked my hotels, and that's just how simple it is. So if you're not taking advantage of these sign-up bonuses, you are definitely missing out. Now here's the thing about credit card churning. A lot of these companies have gotten hip to this method, and they put a lot of things in the fine print that makes it a lot harder to credit card churn. It's a lot harder, but you can still do it. Now me personally, I'm just pretty much taking advantage of the sign-up bonus points that I received. And I'm not gonna close these cards. I actually love these Chase cards, and I'm gonna keep using them. A lot of people who credit card churn, they will usually cancel the card after they already got the sign-up bonus points. I wouldn't recommend this because keeping the card open helps your credit because your utilization will be a lot lower, and you don't wanna draw any red flags when it's time to get your next card. But if you want to cancel it, at least keep it open for a year and a half. Alright guys, we're back in Maryland, as you can see. So we had so much fun in Cancun. Cancun is a beautiful place, but now it's time to get right back to business and talk a little bit more about credit card churning. Now if you're gonna start the credit card churn, or at least take advantage of the sign-up bonus points that multiple credit card companies offer, it's best to start with the Chase credit cards. Why? Because of the 524 rule. Chase has a rule that says if you have opened up at least 5 credit card accounts with any credit card company within the past 24 months, then you will not qualify with Chase. So if you're gonna start churning, make sure you get your first 2 or 3 cards with Chase. It benefits you to get your first few cards with Chase anyway, since you'll have the option to combine your sign-up bonus points from each card. The first card you should probably start with is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, where you will get 80,000 sign-up bonus points if you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of opening the account. That equates to $1,000 towards travel when you redeem the points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. So you would just use this credit card to pay for everything: your cell phone bill, your grocery shopping, your cable, your utilities, gas for your car, everything. And just transfer the money from your checking account that you were gonna spend anyway to pay your credit card balance. It's a great credit card. I have this credit card. If you're interested in getting this card, I have a link down in the description, and if you apply through the link by November 7th, 2020 and get approved, I will get an extra 15,000 bonus points. So help a brother out and apply through the link below. And let me know if you do so I can shout you out in a video. Now when you're dealing with credit cards, it's important that you have discipline and self-control. Only spend money that you were gonna spend anyway. And also make sure you pay the entire statement balance off each month to avoid paying interest. Never carry your balance over to the next month. But yeah, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great first card to start with, and the annual fee is only $95. I've opened up 4 credit cards within the past 24 months. So my next card might be a Chase Flex card, which would round out my 5 credit card limit with Chase. I'm currently taking advantage of the sign-up bonus for the Capital One Venture card, where you earn 100,000 miles if you spend $20,000 in the first year, or you can earn 50,000 miles if you spend 3,000 in the first 3 months. Obviously, I'm going for the 100,000 mile bonus. Spending $20,000 in a year shouldn't be too hard for me, since I'm currently looking for another rental property, and I will be making renovations to that property since I only purchased fixer-uppers. And I still have some renovations to make with my current rental property, so I should be okay. So yes, credit card churning still can be done, but you have to be a lot less aggressive. Like I said earlier, credit card companies are now aware of churning and have adjusted some of their policies. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and also, if you want to hear more about credit card churning, please make sure you check out my man RJ's channel. His channel name is In the Black with RJ. He just released a video on credit card churning where he goes a little more in depth with new stipulations that credit card companies have put in place. And also, if you're interested in traveling for free, make sure you check out my girl Sabrina Raynique's page. She just released a video about traveling the world for free, and she touched on topics that I didn't even mention, like frequent flyer miles. So make sure you guys check out her video. They both were really dope videos with a lot of valuable information. So thank you guys for watching, and like always, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.